I just saw a BMW right now and it got me thinking. Personally, my plan is that when I start revenuing good money, I'm just going to buy a simple car, a wise financial decision. But the reality is, I need to heal my heart, man. I need to heal my heart. And sometimes, yes, these things are important. These financial advices are important. But guys, some things are more valuable than the future, which is your well-being. So my brother, when you get your first 2 million, buy that M2. Heal your heart. You'll make more money when your heart is at peace. Don't worry about tomorrow. Even the Bible says so. It was a dumb decision. No, you're healing your heart. You're healing your heart.